Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ms. Rada Asif, your mathematics teacher from SM Public Academy, Campus 5. Okay, so the chapters which we are going to discuss is chapter number 3 algebra and chapter number 4 algebraic sentences. That means totally we are going to discuss today section number B. Okay, that is based on algebra 3.12, 3.13, 4.3 plus objectives. Okay, so let's begin. Students, here exercise 3.12 is there. First I am going to explain you this question, okay? Then after explanation I will show you one question on the screen and I will ask you to raise your hand and then you have to give me the response. ठीक है, तो let's start. First, let me tell you about this question. Bete, find the square by using the formula. Bete, for this question, we have to check that either there is a plus sign or minus sign. Here in this question, we can see that a plus 3b is over there. That means we have to use the formula for plus. We have to use the formula for plus. That is, what is the formula? The formula is x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. What is the difference? अगर इस question में a minus 3b होता तो the formula will be x minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. ठीक है ना, सिर्फ माइनस साइन का डिफरेंस 2xy टर्म के साथ आएगा. ठीक है ईमान? ईमान, आई कांट सी यू बेटे. Please turn on your videos. That's like my girl. Okay, here's Asania, Ramla, Saklan. Bete, please turn on your videos. Shabash, very good. So here x is equals to, अच्छा, first term is x and second term is y. ठीक है ना? So here we get first term square. Rida, first term square. Look at the simplification quickly. First term whole square plus twice the first and second number, then plus second term whole square, right? Acha, first term is only a, so we get a square, but thus in the third bracket we can see that 3b whole square. 3b whole square, that means we have to put the square on 3 and we have to put the square on b as well. This question seems very easy, लेकिन जो चीज़ें मैं बता रही हूँ just keep it in your mind क्योंकि next question will be difficult for you. ठीक है, तो what you have to do, you have to remember that first term whole square, second term whole square, right? Then 2 3s are 6ab. Clear? Any question? आई एम जस्ट वॉचिंग यू थ्रू द वीडियोज़, तो वीडियोज़ में आप लोग बता सकते हैं. यस या रोज़ क्लियर? ओके, रिदा क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट रमला, इज़ इट क्लियर? Okay, good. So here moving on to the next question. The next question is, okay, 5a plus a upon 5 we have to find the square of. ठीक है, kindly raise your hand and discuss this question with me. Okay, copy down this question in the notebook. Try to attempt this question quickly, as quick as you can. Just think about it कि your quiz is going on, okay, and your live quiz is going on with your teacher and you have to give me the response. Okay, within seconds you have to give me the response. So I want you to raise your hand quickly and discuss this question with me. It doesn't matter if you're right or wrong, मैं आपको correct कर दूँगी. Kindly raise your hands, everybody. Very good, Nasaba, raise your hand, everybody. Only 2 students are raising their hand right now. 3 students, very good. 4, very good. Very good. So let's start this question. Acha, first of all I am going to ask the question from Jay Kumar. Jay, which formula is going to be applied over here, bete? Quickly, bete, quickly. Which formula is going to be applied over here? Bete, which formula is going to be applied?
With minus subtract.
Minus formula. How can we apply the formula of minus? Okay, Rida Rahim, I'm going to unmute you. Rida Rahim. Yes, Rida. Rida, which formula is going to... Hmm?
plus y square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square.
Exactly. So we have to apply x square plus 2xy plus 5 square. Jay Kumar, bete, here we can see there is a plus sign between them. So why we have to apply the minus formula over there? ठीक है, अब clear हो गई बात. We have to apply the plus formula over there. Okay, Rida. By solving this question, what we get finally in the answer? Are you solving the question, Rida, right now? Okay, so here I am going to unmute here next student, Sheroz. Sheroz, have you solved this
Yes.
question?
Yes.
Okay, so what answer you get?
25 a square plus 2 plus a square upon 25.
1 second. 25a square plus
2
2, then
plus a square upon 25. Answer.
2 plus a square. Yeah,
Means
2a
means
square.
a square upon a square upon 25. 2 plus a square upon 25.
A square upon 25.
25.
On 25. Okay, let me check this answer. Okay, Sheroz, hold on, let's see के बाकी सबका ये आंसर आ रहा है. ओके, नोसेबा, इज इट अ करेक्ट आंसर? से यस और नो. नोसेबा, इज इट अ करेक्ट आंसर? वानिया अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटे. इज इट अ करेक्ट आंसर?
Yes, miss.
आपका भी यही आ रहा है?
Yes, miss.
व्हाट अबाउट यू, ओला, have you got the same
Yes,
answer?
miss.
Have you got the
No,
same?
miss.
No? What answer have you got?
25a square plus 2a square plus a upon 5.
Plus 2a square a upon
Plus
5.
a square upon 5.
A square upon 5. Okay, you are saying that 2a square, then a upon 5. You are saying that a upon 5. Okay, you are saying that this is not the correct answer. Vanya और शेरोज का ये सेम आंसर आ रहा है. Let me check out any other student. Okay, Iman, what answer you got?
The same answer.
Which answer? Answer number 1 or 2?
Is 1.
1. That means 2. You are getting 2 in the second term.
Miss, my
Or 2a
answer
square.
25 is. Miss,
Okay.
my answer is 25a square plus 2a square plus a square upon 25.
Very good. Very good. So now let me discuss the answer with you, students. Okay, बेटे, first of all we have to apply the formula. ठीक है, उसके बाद x, we know that first term is x and second term is y. ठीक है, now we have to put the values in the given formula. Here we get 5a whole square, then just we are putting the values. Okay, then 2x y, then plus y whole square. अच्छा, first I am going to discuss the third term over here. बेटे, उला फातिमा, a over 5 whole square. बेटे, स्क्वायर इज ऑल्सो ओवर देयर, तो हम इसको खाली a over 5 नहीं कह सकते. ओके, फॉर द थर्ड टर्म वी विल गेट a स्क्वायर ओवर 25. ठीक है, इज़ इट करेक्ट वानिया? इज़ इट करेक्ट शेरोज, रमला? इज़ इट करेक्ट ना बेटे? थर्ड टर्म का भी तो स्क्वायर है ना, तो वी गेट a over 25. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द फर्स्ट टर्म? वी गेट 25a स्क्वायर. ठीक, now let's solve the second term. Bete, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 is going to be cancelled, but a is not going to be cancelled because they are multiplying. So we will get 2, a into a is a square. Got it? Vanya, Sheroz, got it? Why we get a square over here? Because these two a's are multiplying. ठीक है, अगर ये 5 के साथ यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा होता a, then it is going to be cancelled. ठीक है, but this a is in multiplication, so we will get 2a square. Clear? Vanya, Sheroz, Ramla, this is clear? Ula, this is clear bete? This is clear or not? Okay, that's great. So, excellent, Iman. Let's move on to the next question. Acha. Now, next task is find the square of x minus 12. X minus 12. Now, in this question, we have to apply, Manahil, the second formula. We have to apply the second formula of the square, that is x square minus 2xy plus y square. ठीक है, खाली माइनस साइन कहाँ आएगा बेटे? Only with 2xy. Is it clear? Is it clear? Amna Maqsood, only minus sign comes with 2xy term. Okay? Zuhaib Irfan, can you please unmute yourself? Zuhaib, please unmute yourself bete quickly. Yes, Zuhaib.
Yes, miss.
Ji bete. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, miss.
Zuhaib, can you solve this question with me?
Yes, miss.
Bete, chaliye, let's start. Bete, the formula is x minus y whole square. We get x square minus 2xy plus y square. So bete, here x is equals to x and y is equals to
12.
very good. Here y is equals to 12. Now we have to put the values in the given formula. ठीक है?
Yes,
So by
miss.
putting these values, acha, what will be the answer? Can you please share the answer with me?
Well, I do not do now. I am doing.
Just look at the screen. Look at the screen. We can solve it together. ठीक है?
Okay, miss.
हाँ. चलिए, come on quickly. First term is. Are you
X minus 12.
solve it with me? First term is
X minus 12.
x minus 12.
Oh, X square.
Okay. First term is x square. Then what about the second?
Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Miss 2 will be multiplied with x and 12.
Huh? Then what will be the answer? 12 twos are?
Miss 12 to the 24 and 24x.
Okay. Now what about the third term?
Miss 12 the Miss 12 square.
Okay, 12 square means answer jaldi se quickly bete.
Miss 120.
120? 12
Oh,
12
sorry,
are?
miss. 12 12s are
Okay, students are 12 12s are quickly bete. 12 into 12 is 144. ठीक है? 12 into 12 is 144.
144.
Okay? So
Yes,
I
miss.
hope that this question is now clear to you. ठीक है? So in this way we can solve this question. We get 144. Now the next question is m minus 1 over 2n. M minus 1 over 2n. Okay. So how can we solve this question? Okay. M minus 1 over 2n. Now which formula is going to be applied over here? Which formula is going to be applied over here? Yes. Vanya, which formula?
Miss minus.
Minus formula is going to be applied. Very good. So here we get minus formula. So according to our formula, our x is m and our y is 1 over 2n.
1 over 2n.
All right. So quickly solve it and give me the answer.
Okay, miss.
Quickly. Yes, no, Saba, unmute yourself. No, Saba, unmute yourself, bete. Okay, Sheroz, unmute yourself, bete. Yes,
Yes.
Sheroz. Yes, Sheroz. What answer we can get over here?
Yes, I'm solving. Yes, I'm solving.
Okay, we're solving it right now. Okay, I'm waiting. Yes, Zuhaib Irfan, very good. You have turned on your videos. Very good, bete. Acha, now next is Ola. You are raising your hand. Yes, Ola. Have you completed this question, Ola? Ola, unmute yourself, bete.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Ola, have you solved this question?
Yes, miss.
Very good. Now share the answer.
M
First term
square minus.
bete, the question is m minus 1 over 2n. Look at the screen.
m square मीन्स आंसर बता दो.
ओके अच्छा, m स्क्वायर
माइनस 2mn
माइनस 2
mn
mn
प्लस 1/4 n स्क्वायर
1 upon 4
n स्क्वायर.
n square. Okay, let's see that is it a correct answer or not. Okay, is it a correct answer, Vanya?
मिस बाकी सारा सही है लेकिन वो जो बीच वाला अच्छे से गलत आ रहा है. एम स्क्वायर
Okay.
एम स्क्वायर 4mn और 1/4n स्क्वायर.
Can you repeat the second term again?
I got the answer.
एम स्क्वायर
Yes.
m स्क्वायर माइनस 4mn प्लस 1/4n स्क्वायर.
Okay, you are saying that minus 4mn aega in the center, right? Acha, now let me see Sheroz.
Yes.
Yes, Sheroz. What is the second term of yours?
Mn.
Only mn?
Yes, means 2 and 2 will be cancelled.
Only minus mn. Now let me
Yes, miss.
check that whose answer is correct. Either Vanya, either let me check that whose answer is correct right now. Let me check. Okay, so here students have given me different answer. The problem you are facing, what I got from your response is that you are having difficulty in solving only the second term. Okay, so now let me explain you properly. Beta, first term is m square and the third term is 1 over 4n square. Okay, now the problem is for the second term. Beta, here 2 and 2 will be cancelled, 2 and 2 will be cancelled, and here we get minus m over n. Okay, here we get minus m over n. Okay, why? Because minus 2m is written like this, and then in the bracket what is written? 1 over 2n. Okay, this 2 and 2 will be cancelled, m ones are m, and over n. Okay, this m and n, they are not multiplying, this n is in division. Are you getting me? Say something. Is it clear now? Yes. Is it clear now? Say yes or no. Okay, so I chose some interesting question so that you can. Okay, so this is all for exercise 3.12 and 13. Now thrice 4.3, let's discuss exercise chapter number 4. Exercise 4.3, thrice a number is 15. Okay, this is very easy question. Okay, now thrice a number is 15. Find the number. First of all, we have to suppose the number. Let x be the number. Okay, let x be the number. What is the meaning of thrice? Thrice means three times a number. Okay, that means 3x is equals to 15. Okay, 3x is equals to 15. Now this 3 is multiplying with x. Okay, when we will move it to the right hand side, it will move in the division. We get x is equals to 15 over 3, and our answer is very good, Ola, very good, Sheroz. We get the answer x is equals to 5. We get the answer x is equals to 5. Number 2 question, the sum of even consecutive numbers, even number is 18. Find the number. Bete, if we are discussing about even consecutive numbers, consecutive even numbers mean if the first number is 2, the second number is 4, right? If the first number is 4, the second number is 6, right? So if we are supposing the first number is x, okay, first even consecutive number is x, so the next even consecutive number is x plus 2. Kyun? क्योंकि the difference between the two even number is always of 2. So the first even number is x, the next even number is x plus 2, the next even consecutive number is x plus 2. In the same way, if odd number is written over there, again x and x plus 2. Why? Because odd numbers having the same difference. Okay, so let's start. if x is the first even number, the second even number is x plus 2. Now what is written over there in the question? Sum of two even consecutive number is 18. So if the first number is x, sum means plus, and the second even number is x plus 2, x plus 2. So this is equals to 18. Clear? Again I'm telling you, look at the simplification bit. The first even number is x, the second even number is x plus 2, and the sum means plus is equals to 18, is 18. Clear everybody? Now we have to find the, what we have to do, we have to find the numbers. Bete, let's start the solution quickly. X plus x is equals to 2x, right? Remove the bracket, we get x plus x is equals to 2x plus 2 is equals to 18, right? X plus x is equals to 2x is equals to 18. Now this 2 is going to be subtracted from 18, we get 16, and this 2 is going to be in the division, we get x is equals to 16 over 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So in the result, we get the first even number is 8. And what will be the second even number? Okay, what will be the second even number? But if x is equals to 8, then x plus 2 is the second even number. So 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. The second even number will be 10. Okay, any question? Any question? Let's start the classwork together. Ola, the first even number is 8 bete, not 9. ठीक है, no question. Please say something in the chat box. Any question, students? All clear? Thank you so much. Yes. Ramla, Nusaiba, bete every Ali Jafri, Amna, Asya, Manahil, Zuhaib, Hamza, Talha, please, if anything is not clear, please, Abdullah Shtaq, please mention in the chat box. Jazakallah, bete. Okay, so let's start the work. Okay, so let's start. Bete, today we are going to solve question exercise 3.13 question 8 and 4.3 question number 9. 3.13 question 8. Let me tell you the page number also ताकि आपको ज़्यादा time ना लगे. Okay. Bete, this is page number 59. Page number 59. Page 59. Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8. The question is 6p minus 2q. 6p minus 2q. Okay, this is the question number 8. And 4.3 is on page number 71. Question number 9. The sum of two consecutive odd number is 12. Okay, this is on page number 71, 59 and 71. Kindly mention your name quickly. Okay, Hamza. Okay, now I am going to check from the participants who is going to solve it first. First, put your hand down, everybody, ताकि मुझे पता चले कि first who is going to solve this question. Okay, very good. Quickly, put your hands down, everybody. Put your hand down. Ramla, Nusaiba, Shehroz, have you solved the question? Okay, Shehroz. Okay, I'm going to check the work, yesterday work also today. Okay, right now. Okay. Yes, Nusaiba. Done? Nusaiba, you are saying yes. That means you have completed the question. Now I am going to ask you to turn on your videos and you have to share your work. You have to share your work with me as three students are raising their hand right now. Okay. Okay. Now okay. So little bit louder. Okay, okay. So here we can see Sheroz here. Sheroz is showing his work. Yes, Sheroz. Acha. Little bit closer, Sheroz. Little bit closer, bete. This is exercise 4.5. Acha, out of text question is there. Okay, out of text question. Yesterday I have given you the question x plus 1 is equals to 6 and we get the answer minus 7 and plus 5. Very good. Turn the page. Right now I'm going to check yesterday work also, as I told you yesterday that I am going to check yesterday work today also. So for question number 2 we get the answer 7 and minus 13. बेटे बेटे -10 -3 is -13. देखिए -10 and -3. शेरोस -10 and -3. Unmute yourself.
Miss.
शेरोस देखिए 10 -3 is 7, right?
Yes, miss.
-10 -3
Miss 13.
-13,
Minus 13, yes.
right? Acha, now show me the third question. Third question answer.
Yes.
Third one. Okay, it's not visible, it's not clear. 4 and -4. Very good. This one is the correct answer. Your both the answers are correct. Question 1 and question 3, both the answers are correct. Now show me today's work. Okay, Ramla, 1 second, I'm just going to. Okay, you are starting the question right now. Quickly start it. Okay, here Ramla wants me to. Okay. Yes, Ramla. So here -13 and 7. Very good. This is question number 2 and question number 3, Ramla. Question number 3. -4 plus 4. Very good. Ramla, turn the page and show me today's work. Today's work, bete. Today I have given you the question 6p minus 2q. Very good. 6 6 are 36p square. Now 2 6 are 12. 12 2 are 24 minus 24pq plus 4q. Excellent. Excellent. Keep it up. Now the next question. You are solving it right now. I want other student to share their videos. I want Rida. Okay, Rida. Show me the answer, bete. Very good, Rida. Very good. Excellent, Rida. Next question. Consecutive odd numbers. Have you started that question? Okay, you have started the question. Okay, next one. Next one is Vanya. Next one is Vanya. Okay, we get 36p square minus 24pq. Very good. Very good. Vanya, next question. Next question, Vanya. Okay, I have checked here. Okay, next one is Iman's copy. -7 plus 5. Which question is this? Question number 1. Okay, very good. -7 plus 5. Next page. Next page. Here Iman is showing me yesterday work. Okay? -13 plus 7. Very good. Now turn the page and show me the last question of yesterday quickly. Quickly. Today you are going to have your mock, inshallah. Today you are going to have your third mock on 12:30, right? On 12:30 p.m. you are going to have your third mock. Okay, which is from chapter number 4 and chapter number 13. 36p square minus 24. Excellent. Excellent, Iman. It's correct. Now you all are solving the last question, Iman. Have you completed it? Completed? No. Okay, just complete it quickly. Next. Here Manahil is there. Manahil is there. Okay, Manahil. Very good. 36 p square minus 24 pq plus 4q square. Manahil, but there is no equal to signs are there. Manahil, can you show me yesterday work, Manahil? Yesterday work? No? You have not completed the yesterday work up till now? Yes, Romesa Abed. Everybody, please turn on your video so that I can share your videos on the screen. Keep your videos turned on, please. Again, I'm telling you, bete, today you are going to have your mock. Asba Munawwar is also there with me right now. Okay, bete, you are going to have your mock today. Yesterday it was posted by mistake. So today, inshallah, at 12:30 you will have your mock, and with a gap of 5 minutes, you will have your 4 forms. ठीक है? कितने forms होंगे बेटे? Total forms will be 4. ठीक है? तो be there, inshallah. I will try to post it properly on time. Okay. Okay, now keep your copies in front of the camera so that I can okay, so here I'm going to replace Ramla's copy is on the screen. Okay, here x, if x is the first odd number, second odd number will be x plus 2. Ramla, excellent bete. X plus 2 is equals to 12. We get 2x plus 2 is equals to 12. Very good. Here we get x is equals to 5. And the second odd number will be, okay, second odd number will be 12 minus 5. Bete, how okay, the first odd number is x, and how can we find the second odd number? How can we find the second odd number, bete? We can find the second odd number by adding 5 with 2. Okay, because x, agar x hamara 5 hai, to second odd number will be x plus 2, that is 7. Very good, Ramla. Okay, Nuseba is sharing her answer through the chat box. Very good, Nuseba. If you are okay, देखिए students, if she cannot open, if she is having problem that she is not having the camera, she has shared the whole answer through the chat box with me. That's like my student. I really appreciate this, Bite. Nuseba, I really appreciate this. So here we get the first answer. Very good, Asia. First odd number is 5 and the second odd number is x plus 2, that is 7. That is 7. Yes, Ramla. Ramla, unmute yourself. Yes, Ramla. Up till now, bete, in every chapter, everything is clear to you?
Yes, miss, everything is clear.
Any problem
No, miss, no confusion, no problem.
in any chapter, in any question?
No,
You
miss.
okay? Everything is properly clear to you.
मिस मुझे बस आपसे एक चीज पूछनी थी.
Yes.
मिस, वो जो आपने कल मॉड हमें समझाया था.
जी.
यस मिस, उसमें जो ये एक जो था क्वेश्चन, जैसे मिस जो मिस जैसे हमें 8 plus 2
Quick,
करना है या 8 minus 2 करना है, तो मिस हमें पता कैसे चलेगा कि
Okay.
हम माइनस करना है किसी को या प्लस करना है?
Okay, I will explain you. Okay, I will explain you inshallah by tomorrow about this. Okay, because only last 3
तो मिस
minutes are
thank you.
left. Okay, inshallah. Okay, so she's having confusion over there in subtraction or addition. For that, inshallah, I will clear this confusion by tomorrow, Ramla. ठीक है? Very good, Rada, and very good, Iman. Very good, Rada. Very good, Iman. Everything is correct. Everything is correct. Now, bete, quickly, we don't have that much time. What I want, I am going to share again my slides with you. You all have completed the question. Now, note down these questions quickly. You have to give me the response. Okay, note down these questions. You have to give me the answers. Number one, 2x plus 1. Okay, 2x plus 1 by using formula. You have to find the square. You have to find the square. You can raise your hand and you can share your answers with me. 2x. Okay, you can share your answer through the chat box also if you know the answer. Yes, Vanya. Number one, the square of 2x plus 1 is equals to dash. Yes, Manahil, Rumesa, Ali, Abdullah, Ula, Sumaya. Yes, Sumaya, where are you, bete? You are not turning on your videos today. You are not sharing any answers, any answer with me. Sumaya, unmute yourself, bete. Jaldi, jaldi. Last 1 minute. Yes, Sumaya. Okay, last 1 minute is there, bete. What I want from you, just solve first and second question. Okay, first and second objective and share your answer with me, inshallah. The next three objectives we will continue with these three objectives by tomorrow. We will do these three objectives tomorrow. That's great. Rumanahil has shared her answer with me through the chat box. Very good, Manahil, you are correct. Excellent, Vanya, you are correct also. Here students are sharing their answer. Here the first answer is correct. Answer given by Manahil and by Vanya. Okay, so complete the second question also. We will continue with the third question by tomorrow. Okay, good luck for your mock. Take care, my dear ones. See you inshallah by tomorrow. Till then, take care. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz, everybody.